and thank you so much for your time. My name is Sucharita and आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं to continue celebrations of this wonderful, wonderful film जिसका नाम है तीन, which is ready to release on June 10th. सबसे पहले, can I have a huge round of applause for this movie which is ready for everyone to release right now? A huge round of applause for Teen and the entire team who's sitting right here. इससे पहले कि हम आज का प्रोग्राम शुरू करें, we're going to be talking about the music of the film. हमारे पास बच्चन साहब है हमारे साथ, we have Vishal, we have Clinton, Amitabh, everyone is here. Let us take a look again at the trailer. जैसे YouTube पर इतने hits मिले हैं, इतना share हो रहा है, I think बनता है कि एक बार फिर से तीन के ट्रेलर को देखा जाए. So are we ready to roll the trailer one more time? बिल्कुल क्लिंटन से ही बात करना शुरू करते हैं. तो क्लिंटन, एक गाना जो ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुका है, काफी पॉपुलर हो चुका है, हक, रेडियो पे भी चल रहा है एंड एवरीवन's heard that song. हक के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए जो गाना ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुका है. माइक.
Well, I'll just say that Ribu, that was the first song that we were actually thinking of, and he just told me that it should be a song of triumph, but quiet triumph, vindication more than a loud triumph. So I thought that I wanted to go for in something that was medium tempo, and when I was waiting for Amitabh to come up with some lyrics, for a long time he never sent me anything, and I was always wondering what he'd come out with, and so one day I was fast asleep in my studio because I was really tired, and suddenly I wake up and I see my phone buzzes with a message from Amitabh, and he has lyrics, and I read the lyrics, and I was flabbergasted because the lyrics they were completely an analogy from the point of view of a single star fighting against the darkness and having the right to shine against the darkness, and I completely blew my mind. I said, wow, what a thought, what an amazing thought, and from there the song just flowed. I think
Amitabh is just not only a lyricist, I think he's a poet. He writes superb.
No, not at all. Well, actually, on that note, what Clinton said, since the melody that he had given me was so simple, and what we needed to say in the song had to be really simple and profound. So वो क्रैक करने में थोड़ा सिंपल चीज़ें क्रैक करने में थोड़ा वक्त लग जाता है. So I just took the due time.
अमिताभ, ये मैं आपसे पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ हमारे इंटरव्यूज़ के दौरान कि बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग लगता है जब हम मूवी के म्यूज़िक के बारे में बात करते हैं और लिरिसिस्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. लिरिसिस्ट से हम इंटरव्यूज़ करते हैं जाकर. इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी पर्सनली टू सी कि अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य ने क्या लिखा है इस मूवी के लिए. तो रिबू, जब आपके पास आए तीन का कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर, मूवी लेकर कि मैं बच्चन साहब के साथ एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, क्या उन्होंने आपको बोला था किस किस्म के गाने होने चाहिए इस फिल्म में?
We actually shot the film and we edited the film. We went to Amitabh much later because जब स्क्रिप्ट बना और सर के डेट्स आए and Shujoy and I decided that we have this 2-3 months and we should jump and do the pre-prod and finish the shoot, and when we come back we do a lineup, then we'll get Clinton to do some stuff, we'll get Amitabh to write some stuff for us. So actually it happened the other way around. Generally music happens before you go to shoot, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा अलग हुआ है,
उल्टा प्रोसेस.
Yeah, but I think the process has been equally interesting and challenging.
Absolutely. And after Ribu told me about the story, we saw some of the scenes, and also that's what Clinton and I, we told him that wish हमने गाने पहले बनाए होते, मतलब इसके लिए we would have loved so much to
Yeah, absolutely. Like this the song he's written which Sir had sung, वो गाना अगर हमको पहले मिल जाता ना तो हम कुछ और ही मजा करते. But that's how it is.
तो अमिताभ, आपके लिए और क्लिंटन आपके लिए भी एक बनी बनाई फिल्म में, एक तैयार फिल्म में अपने गाने बीच में डालना, उनको मोल्ड करना उस फिल्म के, is that easier or more difficult to do, Clinton?
See, I come from an advertising background, so I'm used to having the film and working with picture always. So for me, it's never been a problem. But at the same time, there are boundaries that you have to, when you have the film. It's much easier when you're involved at a script level, because then you have so much more freedom to the picture hasn't been edited or hasn't been shot as yet, so there's a lot of give and take that can happen. But still I think when you work within your limitations, sometimes you can create something that's truly unique, and that will kind of surprise you yourself. So I mean it's all good.
अमिताभ, आप क्या कहेंगे?
The process is more or less the same because I have a brief. एक नैरेटिव है हमारे पास, एक ब्रीफ है कि इस सिचुएशन में गाना आना है, धुन तैयार है जिसमें मुझे लिखना है, मोस्टली राइट ऑन मेलोडीज. इन दिस केस विद क्लिंटन ज़्यादा मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स धुन पे ही बने. सो प्रोसेस वही है, लेकिन हाँ अगर थोड़ा सा और देखने को मिल जाए, अगर आप फिल्म देख लें, किरदार का जो मतलब कैरेक्टर, द वे दे स्पीक, द वे दे आर, वो अगर देख लें तो वो थोड़ा सा और इट्स
I think you know, very interesting what you're saying. I think for him it is much easier when the film is ready in front of him. Unlike
I would say that,
Clinton,
yeah.
unlike Clinton, with I think for him, if he's involved from during the pre-prod or when the script is happening, I think it's contrary, but individuals have individual way of style of working.
तो अभी हम हक का वीडियो देखने वाले हैं जरा कुछ ही सेकंड्स में, लेकिन अमित आप कुछ अगर लाइंस, आपकी फेवरेट लाइंस कौन सी हैं इस पूरे गाने में से, इफ यू कुड जस्ट टेल अस.
I think the opening lines that घोर अंधेरा कहता रहा हार जा, घोर अंधेरा कहता रहा हार जा, एक सितारा माना नहीं ना डरा, रोशनी की एक बूंद पे जिंदा रहा वो, जिंदगी की कुछ डोरियों को जकड़े हुए कहता रहा, हक है मुझे जीने का, हक है मुझे जलने का, हक है मेरा अंबर पे, लेके रहूंगा हक मेरा.
Ladies and gentlemen. So the first song from movie Teen, presenting to you one more time, हक. क्लिंटन, अमिताभ और रिबू यहाँ पे स्टेज पे मौजूद हैं. रिबू जी, अब जो अगला गाना है जो हम दिखाने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्पेशल सॉन्ग ऑन दिस एल्बम. गाने का नाम है क्यों रे, और प्लीज़ हमारे जो भाई बहन और बंधु आए हैं मीडिया से, प्लीज़ उन्हें बताएं कि वाई इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्पेशल सॉन्ग ऑन द एल्बम.
There is no doubt about that. This is the most special song, and Clinton and I and Amitabh and Shujoy has been trying very hard to get sir to sing a song, and finally जब ये गाना बना and we played the song to sir, and initially we thought that we'll not we thought Shujoy, me, Clinton and Amitabh, we thought we should definitely have a song, and we had a chat with sir also. But somehow in the initial part, when you see the film and all, कि हमको ऐसा लगा था कि ठीक है, maybe not, because the kind of character sir is playing, शायद वो गाएंगे तो it might contradict to the situation and all. But I think when he wrote the song and the kind of lyrics it has, the kind of emotion it has, it is John Biswas's emotion. So then he did a scratch version of the song, and we went to sir and we played the song, and उसके बाद sir ने गाया गाना. Yeah.
So without further ado, Clinton.
I'd like to add that for me it's completely, this is a gift from, I think anybody can receive, and for me it's, I mean, to be relatively new as a music director, and to have sir sing one of my songs, is I can't even begin to tell you how special it is, and I just feel blessed by God for this. So it's like
Absolutely.
it's a personal gift
All of us.
by God to me.